Kubikwa ukuthi imoto engaziwa ebithwele amadoda behlomile ivulele ngendlamvu kule moto ebimile emgwaqeni eBraamfontein. Kulesi sigameko kushona abantu abathathu, kuso Osomatekisi ababili kanye nomfundi oneminyaka eyi-12 othelwe amachaphazelo. Omunye umfundi odubulekile kumanje uyelashwa esibhedlela. Obhekele ezokuphepha komphakathi eGoli uthi kunempi phakathi kweinhlangano ezimbili zamatekisi eGoli.
It looks as if there is a turf war between two taxi associations and the people. We last week there were two incidents where when a person or a taxi driver was shot at the MTN taxi rank. The two individuals that were shot yesterday, those were the two taxi owners. So unfortunately our students, their soul rest in peace, they were caught in a crossfire.
Abazibonele kwenzeka lesigameko bathi lokhu kubethusile.
We heard the gunshots and we saw everything immediately the same time it happened. And thinking about the fact that we're living in this building and these are the roads that we walk in every day, like coming back from school and going to school, you ask yourself, what if that was me?
As a students, like we are really scared now for our safety. We're thinking about our parents, or like even when like we at school and they are at work, you know, they are not like they are not feeling okay now. They're always worried about our safety.
Abadayisa emgwaqeni bathi bacela ukuthi iqiniswe ezokuphepha.
Dr. JMPD ne-SAP sicela ukuthi sengathi ingafaka more protection kule sahlakalo sayizolo baphenye ngoba ayinento esiphathanga kahle nabantwana besikolo sebathukile nabantwana bajwayele ukuzihambela free lana abanye sebayasaba.
Umfundi oshonile ubenza unyaka wesibili eNyuvesi yaseGoli. Le Inyuvesi ikhiphe istatimende yedlulisa amazwi enduduzo kubafundi nasemndenini. Abafundi ababesebhasini Khathi kwenzeka lokhu bazothola ukwelulekwa ngokwengqondo.